Hi, this is Stephanie Merchant, founder of thenutritionmom.com. We are discussing how to make a veggie wrap. Really, nothing could be easier or healthier. What you want to do is you want to get your favorite vegetables and you want to load this up. It's a lot of fun, actually. The kids can actually help. What you will need are carrots, cucumber, zucchini, avocado, sprouts, and most importantly, collard leaves. This is actually going to be our wrap. And then you want to pick your favorite spread, like hummus. Lay out your collard green. You want to go ahead and trim the stem so that it'll be easier for rolling. Spread your hummus on the collard, add your fillings, wrap, and serve.